How to mute or unmute on Zoom. Today I will teach you how to mute or unmute yourself in a Zoom meeting on a computer, phone, or tablet. You'll also learn how to set up Zoom so your microphone is muted automatically, as well as how to use the push-to-talk feature to temporarily unmute your microphone when you want to speak. If you're a Zoom host who needs to mute the entire meeting. Method 1. Muting and unmuting yourself. Join or start a Zoom meeting. You can mute and unmute yourself in meetings on any platform, including Mac, Windows, Android, and iPhone, iPad. Click or tap the microphone icon. You'll see this in the bottom left corner of your screen. If you don't see it, click or tap the screen to bring up the icon row. When the icon is red and has a line through it, your microphone is muted. Click or tap the microphone icon again. If the previous action muted your microphone, this action unmutes it. You can also see the section on using the push-to-talk feature to temporarily unmute yourself. Method 2. Muting your microphone automatically. Open Zoom on your computer, phone, or tablet. If you want your microphone to be muted when you join meetings, you can do that by making a quick change in your settings. Open your settings. If you're on a computer, click the gear icon near the top right corner of Zoom. On a phone or tablet, tap the settings icon at the bottom of the screen. Click the audio PC, Mac, or meetings, phone, tablet menu. Settings for your microphone and other options will appear. Select the option to mute your microphone. If you're using a computer, check the box next to mute my microphone when joining a meeting. On a phone or tablet, toggle on the Always Mute My Microphone switch. Method 3. Enabling and using push-to-talk. Open Zoom on your PC or Mac. The push-to-talk feature lets you temporarily unmute yourself while you press and hold the spacebar on the keyboard. This is helpful if you think you'll want to remain muted most of the time. Click the gear icon. It's in the top right area of Zoom. Click Audio in the menu. You'll see this in the menu on the left side of the window. Check the box next to press and hold the space key to temporarily unmute yourself. While this selection is checked, you can press and hold the space bar to unmute your microphone when you want to speak. As soon as you lift your finger, your microphone will mute again. Join or start a Zoom meeting. Now that you've enabled push-to-talk, it's time to see it in action. If your microphone is not already muted, click the microphone icon at the bottom left corner to mute it now. Press and hold the space bar as you speak. When you press the push-to-talk button, you'll see a large icon of a microphone in your screen to indicate that your microphone is activated. You won't be able to use push-to-talk if the meeting administrator has prevented participants from unmuting themselves. When you release the space bar, you'll be muted again. Now let's talk about Zoom. What is Zoom? We go over Zoom features just to add some information which is necessary for you to know if you use Zoom. Zoom is a cloud-based video conferencing service you can use to virtually meet with others, either by video or audio only or both, all while conducting live chats, and it lets you record those sessions to view later. Over half of Fortune 500 companies reportedly used Zoom in 2019, and during 2020 it hit even greater heights, racking up 227% growth over the year. When people are talking about Zoom, you'll usually hear the following phrases: Zoom meeting and Zoom room. A Zoom meeting refers to a video conferencing meeting that's hosted using Zoom. You can join these meetings via webcam or phone. Meanwhile, a Zoom room is the physical hardware setup that lets companies schedule and launch Zoom meetings from their conference rooms. Zoom rooms require an additional subscription on top of a Zoom subscription and are an ideal solution for larger companies. Zoom's main features here are Zoom's core features: one-on-one meetings, host unlimited one-on-one meetings even with the free plan. Group video conferences, host up to 500 participants if you purchase the large meeting add-on. The free plan, however, allows you to host video conferences of up to 40 minutes and up to 100 participants. Screen sharing. Meet one-on-one or with large groups and share your screen with them so they can see what you see. Recording. You can record your meetings or events too.